Today we are at Abberly NoDa Vista in the vibrant heart of Charlotte. We're thrilled to take you on a walkthrough of our stunning one-bedroom, one-bathroom apartment floor plan known as the Vinci. This pet-friendly oasis is the perfect blend of comfort and luxury, designed to elevate your lifestyle. Let's dive right in. As you step into the Vinci, you'll immediately notice the open and welcoming floor plan. The wood-style flooring and the ceiling fan create a cozy and comfortable atmosphere. The Vinci boasts an upgraded kitchen with beautiful granite countertops, a ceramic tile backsplash, a deluxe stainless steel package, and decorative pendant lighting. Cooking and entertaining have never been this stylish and convenient. The living area is spacious and thoughtfully designed. It's perfect for relaxation or hosting guests. From here, you can access your very own private balcony or patio, ideal for enjoying the fresh Charlotte air. In the bedroom, you'll find plush carpeting that's not only soft underfoot, but also helps create a tranquil sleeping space. Your bathroom features a luxurious ceramic tile tub, offering a soothing retreat after a long day. The Vinci is full of extra features that make life here a dream. You'll have a full-size washer and dryer right in your apartment for your convenience. This floor plan truly combines spacious living with a modern design. Plus, the generous floor plans ensure you'll have plenty of room to make it your own. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to welcoming you to the Vinci here at Abberly NoDa Vista. Please reach out to our friendly leasing team if you're interested or have any questions. AbberlyNoDaVista.com